Good afternoon, everyone. How are you? I hope everything is fine with practical classes. Okay?
Yeah.
Everything is good.
Okay, it's all good. Okay, we continue of lecture course on international logistics systems. Today is our fourth lecture. And at the end of the lecture, I will give you control questions to discuss in practical classes. Okay? Okay, maybe так. So we will continue. I show you presentation, one moment. Do you have presentation? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Topic today, international non-governmental organization in the field of rail transport. Lecture plan, International Union of Railways, International Railway Transport Committee, Forum of Railways of Europe, the Railway Transport Council of the Commonwealth of National, European Conference Union, Association, and Association, International Union and Societies, International Logistic Organization, and the largest logistic company of Ukraine. Questions number 1 today, International Union of Railways. The International Union of Railways was founded in 1922. It is the largest organization of railways by the number of members of the organization, 51 active, 37 associated, and 18 affiliated, and by the range of activities. All the countries of the European Union are members of the International Union of Railways. In June 1992, in the regular session of the General Assembly of the Ukrainian Railway, Ukrzaliznytsia becomes the 47th active valid member of the Ukrainian Railways. The purpose of the Minister of Transport and Communication is to promote the cooperation of railways and the development of the railway mode of transport to strengthen its competitiveness, especially in international transportation. International Union of Railway disseminates information about the most modern technologies and management methods and among its members. International Union of Railway develops standards, instruction, rules, or promote the exchange of information and experience. Since joined the Ministry of Railway, Ukrzaliznytsia, has received from this organization more than 1.5 of 500 documents from all areas of railway transport, including more than 300 technical standards. The most important elements of the organizational structure of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs are the General Assembly and the European Assembly Administrative Council, Steering Committee, International Executive Council, East-West Sector, and high-speed traffic sector, research organization, commissions, communities, special groups, European research infrastructure of railway transport. And in addition to intergovernmental organization, there are a number of organizations whose members are railways. Questions number 2 in organization today. This is International Railway Transport Committee. The Railway Transport Committee was founded in 1902. The governing body of the committee since 1921 is the legal department of the Swiss Federal Railways. The Swiss Federal Railways has more than 300 full and associate members from Ukraine, in an active participant in city. The report of International Railway Transport Committee activity is to promote the cooperation of railways and the development of the railway mode of transport, the unified use and implementation of the international law of railway transport, above all CATIF. Full members of International Railway Transport Committee can be enterprises that carry our railway transportation in accordance with CATIF of which other agreements. The management and working bodies of the organization are a General Assembly, Management Board, Control Body, Commission, and working groups. International Railway Transport Committee coordinates its work with the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, OTIF, and the United Nations Economic Commission for Europe. Questions number 3 and organization is a forum of railways of Europe. The International Railway Transport Committee was founded in 1902. And the goal of the International Railway Transport Committee of the activity is to promote transparent and independent cooperation with providers and opportunity for all members to plan the efficiency of their international transportation. Europe Railway Forum provides its member with a NATO international coordination platform for international coordination of traffic schedules, supports the work of its member, based on the prerogatives of the directives of the European Community, can develop and operate technical means, helps to eliminate national barriers and protect the new European rule of rail transport companies. The working languages of Forum of Railways Europe are German and French. English simultaneous translation is additionally provided for the General Assembly. And addition, the charter was translate Russia and English. Forum of Railway of Europe observes International Union of Railways, Organization of Cooperation of Railways, of the International Organization of Institutions whose boards have been granted observers statute. Governing and working bodies of the organization, General Assembly, rule, Passenger Transportation Commission, Cargo Transportation Commission, and Secretariat. Organization number 4. This is the Railway Transport Council of the Commonwealth of Nations. On February 14, 1992, the heads of governments of the Commonwealth of Independent States, it's 11 states, signed an agreement on the coordination bodies of railway transport. According to this, the Council of Railway Transport was created consisting of the heads of administration and management of railway transport of the Commonwealth of Independent State countries. Heads of railway administration of Latvia and Bulgaria participate in the work in the council as associate members. The railway administration of Latvia and Estonia participate in the work in the council under separate agreements. The purpose of the council's activities is to coordinate the work of railway transport and the international level, to agree on the conditions and principles of its work, to ensure the functioning and development of transport and economic relation between the Commonwealth of Independent States country as well as third countries. By decision of the Council, working body were created. This is Tariff Conference of Authorities, representatives of railway administrations, the main task of which is to implement the agreed tariff policy, develop recommendation regarding the level of rates for transportation. And this is a permanently operation commission of Audros specialist of railway administrations. This develops unified technical solutions, standards, aimed at ensuring the efficiency of rail cars. Informational and technical center for accounting of wagon and container fleets, their technical condition. Commission of experts on informatization of railway transport. Commission on cooperation of railway administration of the field of the health care. Claims Council for consideration of dispute cases on compensation for damage caused by improved strategy of cargo. The bureaucrat out which the framework of the council enables to preserve the technological integrity of the railway network of Ukraine, the CIS, and the Baltic states. To maintain common information and tariff space, to create a regulatory framework, the regulation of the condition of transportation of goods and passenger in interstate traffic. Attract additional volumes of transportation, in particular transit through Ukraine, and to coordinate the operational activity of the railway in order to ensure economic peace of Ukraine with the CIS and Baltic countries. Over the years of the Council's activity, agreed decisions have been made regarding the distribution of the fleet of wagons and containers, term of transportation of passengers, cargo, tariff police, the procedure for mutual settlements, mutual responsibility of the railways, traffic safety, uniform technical requirements for the maintenance of rolling stock, joint scientific and research block. Organization number 5. This is European Conference Union Association and Association. There are several European organizations related to rail transport. The European Conference on Passenger Tariff was founded as an independent body in 1975. The purpose of the organization is determination of practical measures for the implementation of empowered traffic police in the direction of greater promotion on the development of international passenger transportation, solving commercial issues related to the implementation of new international directions, ensuring unity of options between different railways to increase their competitiveness in relation to other modes of transport, promoting the growth of public confidence in international passenger transportation through the mutual exchange of information on traffic in domestic traffic and through the adoption of the necessary commercial acts. The European Conference of Passenger Traffic tariffs includes railway and water administration from Europe, Asia, America, and Africa. The governing bodies of the conference are plenary and regional meeting, working groups, and the management of affairs. This organization closely cooperates with the European Conference of Passenger Train timetables. And was established in 1972. Ukrzywilsa has been a full member of the organization only since 1994. The governing bodies of the conference are the plenary session and the management of press. The conferences will be organized by circulation of international passenger trains and passenger service on railway and waterways. Coordinate train schedules on international routes and measures to facilitate the condition of passenger travel, baggage and hand luggage transportation. The conference develops and through the relevant organization takes measures aimed at reducing the time required for administrative and customs control at border stations and ports between which crossing for international trains operate. Working groups of the organization draw up timetables of international passenger trains for a period of up to 3 years. Since 1924, the European Conference on such train timetables has existed. The conference was created at the initiative of the Railway Administration of several European countries with the aim of simplifying the condition for crossing state borders by freight trains and to coordinate the schedule of their movement in international traffic. Ukraine is not a member of this organization. The governing bodies of the conference are the plenary session and the management of press. The plenary session is held twice a year. The management of press is entrusted by the plenary meeting to one of the member railway administration for 5 years. Team organizes activity through working groups. With at a meeting consider issues related to changes in the timetable of international freight trains. The practical activities of the organization consist of development of international flight routes, coordination of trains schedules, implementation of measures to increase commercials and regional train speeds for international flight transportation. The tasks of SIM also include the development of measures to simplify customs and other formalities at the borders of countries. These are carried out through the relevant government bodies, and the promotion of the exchange of experience in the field of large transportation between the railway administration of European countries. The main direction of the organization activities in recent years has been the development of issues for the reduction of the time of moving goods in international connections, and it is believed that the only way to achieve this goal is simultaneous holding of national and international events of the Organization of Close Cooperation. The main direction of the organization's activity in recent years has been the development of issues of the reduction of freight forwarding time in international connections, and it is believed that the only way to acquire this goal is simultaneous holding of national and international events of the Organization of Close Cooperation of various national railway services. The SIM conduct its activity in contact with the Ministry of Health. The European Union of Railway Transport was established in 1950 as a conference of railway transport of Western European countries, and in 1951 the conference was transformed into the European Union of Railway Transport, after which the organization began to function with the status of an international one. Ukrainian is not part of the union. The government bodies of the union are the General Assembly of railway administration members of the organization and the executive community. The task of the European Union for railway transport include the organization of traffic within the national and international systems of the member states in the accordance with the established timetables and schedules of the movement of passenger by train in international traffic on the European railway network. The European Association for Interoperability of Railway is a joint representative body managed by the EU Commission This was created to oversee the development of the European traffic management system and the application of the technical conditions for interoperability. The co-founders of the organization are the International Union of Railways, the Union European Railways Industries, and the International Union of Public Transport. AEIF was tasked with developing TSI standards for conventional railway and testing TSI for high-speed service. And Ukrainian is not a member of this association. In 1991, three associations representing the European railway industry merged into the Union of European Railway Industries. The main goals of UNIFE, it's police development for the railway industry, dialogue with European instructions, coordination of technical conditions to ensure the safety of railway products and service, ensuring operational interoperability for high speed and conversion railways, participation in research program of railways, standardization of railway communication systems. Ukrainian is not a member of this organization too. And the European Association for the financing on the purchase of railway rolling stock. It's difficult a little. Was founded by the decision of the European Conference of Ministers of Transportation in 1955. The main goal of the organization is to facilitate the purchase of rolling stock of standards type. The members of the society are representatives of national railway from 25 countries that are members of the International Transport Forum, a former European Conference of Ministers of Transport. And two, Ukrainian is not member of this organization. The governing body of the society are the General Assembly, the Administrative Council, and the Auditing Commission. The company holds international meetings of experts on economic and technical issues, where it considers contracts with industrial organizations and companies for the construction and supply of locomotives and wagons, purchase and leases rolling stock to its shareholder railway administration, with, in addition to rent, annually pay, depreciation deduction to the company on the rolling stock. And the Conference on Ministers of Transport of the country of Western Europe, which took place in 1953, representatives of the railway administration of 9 countries signed the agreement on the establishment of the European Association for the operation of freight wagons Europe. The purpose of Europe is a joint use by the railway organization participating in the union of certain part of the freight wagons belongs to them in order to reduce empty runs of freight wagons in international connections. Members of the association are the railway administration of the following countries. It's Austria, Belgium, Denmark, Italy, Luxembourg, the Netherlands, Germany, France, and Switzerland. And Ukrainian is not a member of this organization too. Okay, we have small time, my Zoom conferences, and we need to make coffee break. And we come back after 5-7 minutes, okay?
And then we will
Okay.
make a screenshot, yes?
Screenshot and next half of lecture, okay?
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Okay,
In 5
thank
minutes
you.
we will see you. Mhm.
Thank you,
Okay,
we
see you,
come
bye.
back.